Hello everyone. Today let's discuss about quantum computing. What is quantum computing? A new paradigm of computing based on quantum machines. Uses qubit instead of classical bits. Qubits can exist as 0, 1 or both, that is known as superposition. Enables faster and more powerful problem solving. The core concepts. Qubits, the quantum units of information. Superposition, qubit exist in multiple states at once. Entanglement, linked qubits affect each other instantly. Interference, amplifies correct solutions, cancels wrong ones. Classical versus quantum computing. Feature classical versus quantum. Unit bit 0 or 1 versus qubit 0, 1 or both. Storage deterministic and probabilistic. Processing linear scaling versus exponential scaling. Communication independent bits versus entangled qubits. Examples PCs, supercomputers versus IBM Q, Google, uh, Sigmo, like that we can take the examples. Applications cryptography, break and build encryption. AI and ML, fast training data analysis. Drug discovery, simulate molecules, protein folding. Finance, portfolio optimization, risk analysis. Logistics, route and supply chain optimization. Climate and materials, atomic, atomic simulations, predictions. Advantages would be exponential speed, advanced simulations of molecules or atoms, enhanced AI and data processing, potential breakthroughs in science and tech. Disadvantages also there. Needs extreme cooling and error correction, very expensive infrastructure, limited global availability, complex programming. To that we use Q sharp, Curie, etc. Real world examples Google Cyclone, Archived Quantum Supermachine, IBM Quantum Experience Cloud based quantum research, D Wave System Optimization via quantum annealing. Future of quantum computing, revolution in cybersecurity, healthcare, AI logistics, May and current encryption methods. Still experimental but advancing rapidly. Cloud superform even the fastest supercomputers. Conclusion would be quantum computing, different paradigm, not just faster. Uses superposition, entanglement, interference, holds potential law, reshape industries. Challenges remain before mainstream adoption. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Have a nice day.